Hello! Today we are going to make daikon radish and carrot pickles. It is one of the most popular side dishes throughout Asia, and it goes well with so many different dishes such as rice, noodles, salad, and even with sandwiches. The recipe is in the description box below, so let's get started. Peel the skin, and Julienne got daikon radish and carrots. Place them in a bowl, then sprinkle sea salt. Using the hands, mix until well combined. Let rest for 30 minutes. While daikon and carrots are resting, I'll share a tip to speed up the cooking process. I often prepare vegetables with julienne cut, which is a culinary knife cut where the food item is cut into long, thin strips. Of course, you can use a knife and get the same result, but this inexpensive little tool speeds up the preparation so much. It is called a julienne peeler. You can get it from a kitchenware store, but I'll add a link below, so if you are interested, go check it out. Place in a colander and squeeze to remove as much moisture as possible. In a separate bowl, combine sugar and boiling water, then mix well until sugar is dissolved. Add vinegar and stir. In stirrer jars, place daikon and carrots, then pour the pickling solution. Add water so that daikon and carrots are submerged. Close the lid and give it a shake. You can eat it right away or allow it to rest in the fridge for several days. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why don't you check out more videos on this screen? I hope to see you very soon. Bye! Waikuji kakao sa, waikuji kipate.